Good evening. We are here in Tiburtina Station, Rome, Italy. We are going to Terni with my daughter and my husband. As you can see, this train station is connected to Termini from the train that we are going to get for Terni comes from Termini to passing by this station Tiburtina. Okay, as you can see, we have this Tren Italia going to, I don't know because we are out of lane. And this one is called Italo. That red train, long train. Look, from that one side to this one until here and until there is the what will you say, Elvin? Is how long the train is. It doesn't end there. After the escalator, there are still part of the train. As we can see, we cannot see it because it's very dark on that side. So just imagine how long this red train is. Smart. I don't know where is. No, it's going to Salerno, I think. Going to Salerno. In Salerno, we can get the bus for Amalfi. I remember that because we have been there last year. Wow, it's coming. One of the train also is coming. Another one. Look at this. Look how big. The smart Cinema, Italo. The train is called Italo. Okay. That train, I don't know where it came from. This is the train in Italy, regional train. That's going to Milan, Aura, no? This train is going to Milan from Salerno, vero? From Salerno to Milan. Oh, it means that the other train there is going to Milan, to Salerno. Oh, there's another one here, Frecciarossa. This train, Aura, going to Bergamo from Rome, from Termini. This train comes from Termini. Look, premium. Frecciarossa is a kind of train that is cost. The price of the ticket is very much high. Frecciarossa because it's very, how do you call it? The speed of this train is alta, high velocity. The speed. Okay, this is our blogger Elvin Katabay and his daughter Aura. Okay. Those are the driver and the ticket man, the inspector. Okay, from now, I will stop now and see you again next time for the next vlog. Bye!